Did you ever think that you end up with um with a big situation? Like you are like around of group of friends and you just like um just talk normal like a person, that kind of stuff, and you didn't even realize that you was like kind of flirting kind of thing, because this is like is on my mind. And a lot of like I read a comment of someone sent me a text that like I'm around a bunch of people and I didn't even notice that I was like flirting with people, that kind of stuff. So then I was sitting think about this, and so I want to know what you guys think, that you like a girls, like you talk to some guy and you talk like normal, and you didn't even know that you like flirt with a guy or something like that. So is that normal, you guys? Because I want to know, is it normal, serious? Because a lot of people telling me that like I'm flirting actually without I'm knowing I'm flirting with some guys who I didn't even know I was flirting with a guy. So yeah, that's why I'm sitting and thinking all day and night about this. So what is like, how can I know this? Because nobody tell me about this, in that I'm flirting somehow or some point. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That's why I want to ask you about this. So yeah, because I don't even know this about the situation, that kind of stuff, and nobody tells me about that I flirting, that kind of stuff, and it's actually weird, really. It's really weird. Sorry for my voice. I don't know why my voice like this. Yeah, just let me know. Yeah, please subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned, you guys.